What's going on, everybody? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video, we're going to be going through my DMs and answering some people. Some nights I just get bored and I start answering people's DMs by sending little video messages. People love that. It's more personable, especially if you're trying to close them on a sale. Just a little tip for you guys. If you guys are ever selling something, whether it's low ticket or high ticket, video messages always do the job. But for this one, I'm just going to be going through and answering some questions because I get like over 100 DMs a day, whether they're good DMs or dumb, just like people asking for money or whatever. We're going to find out. I've been sending some people some messages, so I guess I'll just take you guys along the journey and give you guys hopefully some advice and tips for people that ask for specific things. That's one thing I want to tell a lot of you guys that ask questions about dropshipping or e-commerce or marketing, whatever it is. A lot of you guys just waste my time. You ask stupid things like, how do I get started? What is dropshipping? Like all this random stuff that you could find out online in 5 seconds or on my YouTube channel. If you're going to ask me a question directly, you need to make it more personable and something that actually is specific, like, different stuff about ad sets and campaigns, Facebook, influencers, whatever it is. Be specific. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your own time, and we will both get the most out of it. So let's go ahead and hop in my DMs and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already at Tanner with 2 R's at the end, and DM me, and maybe I'll send you a message. So let's go to my DMs. So we already have here, you can see I've been sending people video messages. People are already texting me and stuff. I've been trying to get this video camera to work for like 20 minutes. Alright, so the first DM we have right here is from 20 minutes ago. It's this person here, Tatiana from UNCG. She says, I want to be a successful entrepreneur and make something great of my life. Is there any advice that you could give me that could help me reach this goal? Anything will be appreciated. So let's go ahead and send her a quick message. I usually just do this off the top of my head. Hey Tatiana, hope you're doing well. My advice I would give to you is really just to start, go out there, whether it's dropshipping or any business out there, is just immerse yourself with knowledge on YouTube or courses, whatever it is, and just teach yourself as much as possible and then start something. And send the video. Easy as that. I just gave her some basic advice. Self-teach yourself, figure out, learn different things, see what you like best, what you're the best at, and then take action. That's really all it comes down to. There's nothing, no secret method or secret advice that I can give you to make a lot of money. This first one here, this guy always sends me all these super weird posts. This guy, should probably decline those, but let's see. Hey, I'm really interested in building a 6-figure business. I started out by doing some affiliate marketing with my Instagram page, but I'm really interested in building a business with my personal page. I'd really appreciate if you guys could give me some tips. Everybody's always asked for tips. Like, they never ask for anything specific. Be specific, guys, please, if you ever send me a DM. But listen to a quick message. Hey, hope you're doing well. As far as your personal brand goes, I would recommend that, honestly, it's just about consistency, creating a schedule, whether it's YouTube videos, Instagram content, whatever it is. Create a specific schedule and provide content that is valuable and actually means something to people, whether it's entertainment or whatever. There we go, another video sent. And something funny, people always tell me, like when I'm with friends, or I was in California with Hayden and I was like filming these selfie videos, sending them to people, and he's like, bro, whenever you send these videos, your voice gets a lot deeper. I don't know why. Maybe that's just my little sales tactic. I don't know what it is. Hopefully, maybe you guys can tell. I don't know. A lot of these are crazy, or like long messages. Hey Tanner, a lot of people think my name Tanner actually has 2 R's just because my Instagram username is sort of funny. This guy says, hi Tanner. I think you're really inspirational to many people along with myself who was looking into dropshipping and was wondering if you could help me build up a good business through Amazon and eBay. I don't work with Amazon and eBay. I've tried it a little bit, but haven't really been immersed into it enough to understand everything about it. But I said, just tips, or should I do Shopify or just keep within dropshipping from company like Amazon or eBay? Hey, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Well, first off, I don't know much about eBay and Amazon. I would recommend like Tanner J. Fox or Jeff Bunting for eBay. But as far as Shopify dropshipping goes, let me know if you have any specific questions and I'll get back to you. So he just asked, a very broad question. He wants help, but didn't ask anything specific, and I led him to people that actually know what they're doing with those specific fields. Tanner J. Fox for Amazon FBA, and Jeffrey Bunting for eBay dropshipping. So really, there's nothing specific I can say there. I'm not going to pretend like I know a lot about these things. Let's try and find like a shorter message. Hey, I love your YouTube channel. I was wondering if I could ask you a few questions about my Shopify business. Guys, there we go again. Ask your specific questions right off the bat. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your time saying, hey, can I ask you a question? You just ask me a question. Ask me the question you want to ask. Let's see. Could you help me? Right here, this guy says, can you help me? What does that mean? Do you think you can give me some advice? See, guys, this is just going through my DMs. You guys see it here. I sort of need your help here. Things are not going well. Guys, what do you need help with? Tell me. Hey, I saw that story for investing. Is it real? Because we have a company idea for gaming tournament, gaming store, blah, blah, blah. For more I'm not a programmer. I don't have time for this stuff. This guy just sent me a random profile. Hey, Tanner, I'm a 15-year-old entrepreneur based in London. Where do I start? Guys, everybody asks me like the same questions. I'm going to be nice here, but if you want some specific help, ask specific questions. I don't want to repeat this over and over in this video. Hey, man, hope you're doing well. Just start, bro. You say, where do I start? Just start learning, start teaching yourself, YouTube videos, anything like that, and start taking action onto those specific fields, whether it's drop shipping, Amazon FBA, or just reselling items or mowing lawns, whatever it is. Go out there, try something, figure it out. Let's go down here. Hey Tanner, I've watched all your videos on YouTube. It's impressive. I have like 250 videos. And I'm starting my Shopify store by following all the steps on your videos. Before starting, I want to know if you have any advice for me. I'll thank you very much. Again, broad questions. Hey man, hope you're doing well. I would recommend, don't worry about the storefront as much as the actual marketing and brand awareness to actually make sales, because if you're just wasting time on the things that don't really matter, then in the long run, it's going to be a waste of your time and you're not going to make as much money as possible. This guy says, hello, I want to assist you. Please read or reply, bro. I'm going to send him a quick message. What does that mean? Easy as that. Why waste either of our time? Alright, this guy says, hey Tanner. He replied to my son Gibby. He said, hey Tanner, I want to know your opinion on dropshipping is long term. Can we make money with that for long term? Okay, so I would say dropshipping is great to start out from the beginning and get some capital for a long-term business. I would say dropshipping stores aren't necessarily a long-term business unless you turn it into an actual brand where it's in-house, just because logistics-wise, dropshipping is not sustainable for years on end. So that's a question I don't really get often is, do you think dropshipping is going to last forever? Is it going to die? Is it long-term? Etc. And the truth is, it's just like, it's a great it's a great starting business for any age. You could be 12, you could be 44, it doesn't matter. It's great to start at any age because it doesn't really take much upfront cost. It's really just about teaching yourself and testing things. Let's go here to the next one. He sent a long message. I don't want to waste your guys' time here. Let's see. Yo, what's up? What's up? Please help me, bro. What do I got to do to be like you? Oh, man. 500 plus visitors to my site in one day, but just one sale. Should I run some custom audience ads now? I would recommend just keep split testing until you find which ad set makes you the most money, and then from there go on, make custom audiences later on. Don't waste time making a custom audience that's not even going to be optimized well from the beginning. So if you guys get one sale from one ad, 500 traffic visitors, don't make a custom audience off of that. You're not ready for that yet. Really, you have to build up like 50 to 100 sales in order to make custom audiences that are actually going to be profitable and sustainable for a long time. Let's see. Hey man, I'm trying to figure out Facebook ads. I'm going for different audiences, different locations, and I've just started, so I'm actually pretty glad how my ads are working. But I have some ideas for targeting. Okay, he says he appreciates my videos, whatever, and he wants to tell me some ideas. Guys, don't introduce me to this stuff. This is not a pitch. Just tell me whatever you have to say. Come on now. Been starting, alright, long message, I don't want to waste your time again. Hello Tanner, my name is Stefan, I'm the founder of Moeller Watches. I was wondering if you could help me by promoting my products. If you're interested, we can send you free products. Unfortunately, I don't really do that kind of stuff just because it's like, unless it's something I really believe in. Like if you send me a free camera to film videos with, for sure, I'll promote it, or like something for my car, or something that actually benefits me in some way that I actually enjoy. But if it's a watch, like, I bought a Rolex a few months ago. Like, that was a dream I always had to buy a Rolex. It's like, I don't really care too much about watches. That was just an achievement thing. It's not really worth it, in my opinion, to send all of my audience to your brand for like a $20 watch. So I'm going to say, hey, Stefan, hope you're doing well. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to do... Sometimes I mess up. Hey, Stefan, hope you're doing well. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to decline on this offer, but I appreciate it anyways. Have a great day, and best of luck to your business. Always be nice to these people. I'm never mean. I never say anything offensive unless they say anything offensive. Well, I want to make an updated video of this later on in the week or something like that, where I want you guys to DM me actual questions, specific questions, or comment them below. Something that actually means something that makes sense, and then I will get back to that and make it something actually valuable for you guys. This is just an insight to show you guys sort of the DMs I get, what I have to deal with on a daily basis. A lot of stuff is just people asking for help or people wanting for basic advice. So Guys, go out there. As far as the basic questions go, focus on the things that actually matter, the marketing, and actually starting and taking action. Don't waste time. We all have the same amount of time. That's the one thing we can never get back in life. So utilize your time as best as possible, and then you will get to where you want to be. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.